Say, watch your step, punk.
What's your step, Punk?
Watch your step, punk.
No, don't say that word.
Don't say that word? Why not?
What
Say, Daddy.
is it?
Hey, say, Daddy.
Ready?
Is.
It's cavalry.
I don't know
What am I?
Say, Daddy.
No?
Say, Daddy.
Say daddy.
Be
See?
nice
Right?
to
See?
Mama.
Mama.
Say, Daddy.
Ready? Go to mommy. Mommy. Mom.
Say, Daddy.
Ready?
Connor.
Up.
What's up?
Get Daddy thumbs up.
No, think that.
What?
He wants you to put your finger up.
Put your feet up.
Put your feet up. I don't see your feet up. Where's your feet? Oh. Say, Connor, that's big feet. Connor needs new shoes, huh? Those big feet. Big feet.
You gonna go play?
No, Mom, I don't want to go play.
Why?
You want to slide?
That's it.
Because I said.
Because I said. Well, that's the way you want it.
Say, punk! Punk!
Stay in the table.
Oh, there are people, huh?
Like them.
Like Bam Bam?
Go.
You go to the slide?
I want to go on this way.
Why not?
What is it?
How old are you?
Nope. I'm 3.
What's your name?
I'm coloring.
Are you Connor Wayne?
No, I'm coloring.
Oh.
I'm coloring.
What?
I'm coloring. I got a coloring.
Yeah, you're Connor Wayne.
I'm selfish.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Daddy.
What? What?
Airplane.
Why are you scared of airplanes for?
Enough.
You're not gonna be a pilot when you grow up?
No,
No. Why not?
not there. Not one in a tree. In the oven, in a
Where's
tree.
the leaf?
And then the
Where's the leaf? The tree?
in that up there, one.
Where's Daddy? Where's Mommy? Where's Connor? Stay right here.
Right here.
Where's Daddy? Stay right there. Right there's Mommy. And right there's Connor. I like when he says, I'm right here.
Right here. Right here. And then Daddy.
Where's Daddy? Where's Mommy? Where's Connor? He points at himself or something. Where's Connor? Where's Big Doggy? That's an American Bulldog. Big Doggy. Look. Big Doggy.
What is that?
What is that? Is it a wee wee?
I'm gonna go show you.
I don't know where he went.
I'm gonna show you.
Is it Toby?
What is that?
I love you.
I'm
say love you.
Where's Leo?
I love you.
Where's Leo?
I don't know. Over there.
So love you.
Connor, say love you.
Over there.
Okay. Say love you.
Where's Leo? He went in the door.
You went to the store. Say love you.
He went.
To the moon.
I'm going in the car.
You can go in the car.
No.
Why?
What?
Because you're a nut.
Why not?
You're a nut.